friends, this is Luca. I'm here in the New Delhi World International Book Fair, and a new friend came to say hi, and I'm so excited because he did a long journey just for meeting me. I have a problem with a mic that is a little bit shorter, so I'm trying to squeeze in as much as possible. Thank you.
Hi, Luca.
Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Rajveer Singh and I'm working for Red Hat. I'm very passionate about open source technologies and helping the customers for their interesting problems with the help of open source technologies. And that I have started the journey as in the IIT Roorkee. And I remember those days when I was installing the Linux from the floppy disk, and I spending my whole night just simply changing the floppy disk. That was very interesting.
Wow! This is the type of story that I like, because I also started in this way. I remember going to my Linux user group and installing Linux with a bunch of CDs. It was like a tower, more than 10 CDs, and I think this was a foundation. And what brings you more into Ansible and configuration automation technologies?
This is a very interesting story where I started in the Ansible. I remember the story where I was working for one of the customers. I was new in that team, and what happened was the member who was working there already managing the healthcare system, which are very critical, and he was used to make the configurations non-persistent.
Oh.
And
we were just talking about this very interesting use case. Please go ahead.
yeah. So this is the story about when I joined one organization, and there was the team member who was used to make the configurations which were not persistent, and documentation for the technical person is very difficult task. And the moment he left the organization, and one fine day the server got rebooted and there was the outage, and we were not sure what exactly the configuration was. At that time, I thought
unbelievable.
yeah. Thankfully, somehow we managed to bring those services back up, but it was the great time where we have to do the reintrospection, how to get rid of those kind of problems. At that time, Ansible was not there, so I took the help of CFG to HTML tool to capture the configurations, and then very soon I come to know about the Ansible at that time. And the moment I come to know about Ansible, the YAML, it was really fascinated, and I started creating the standard operating environment.
Okay.
So that whatever the configurations are there, they are source control, based control, and you know who is changing what. You have the better control, predictability.
Yeah, definitely.
And from there, the journey of Ansible started.
Yeah, definitely. I think infrastructure as code and GitOps are the future. Do you agree with me?
Absolutely. There's no doubt about it, because at the end of the day, everybody want to have the tracking, and there has to be proper understanding who is doing what. And if something goes wrong, you can revert it back. And the kind of integration, CI/CD and everything is possible because of that. So this is absolutely a future.
I like because he is very passionate about technology, so do I. And it's so nice having this chat. I can stay here forever. I can stay all day chatting about how we can improve our infrastructure, how we can get a better organization. And I know that you have a lot of, you are very helpful for a lot of different firms, a lot of different brands. Can you tell me more about your day-to-day job? Do you work in Red Hat?
Yes, I am working with Red Hat, and I'm very passionate about this organization, where I get the opportunity to working on always challenging projects and challenging problems from the customer. As part of my hybrid cloud and Ansible automation journey, I always get into the customer requirement and understand and help them how they can move from where exactly they are to the next level and solve their business problems. And there are, you can talk about the industries from telcos to BFSI, government, so all different verticals. I usually work with the customers and help them to have the design and fix their problems.
Oh, this is great. I think you are a problem solver. I see your attitude, and this is great. Can you give me a view about the future? How you see the future of technology?
the future of technology is going to be really very interesting. The way that different technologies are coming up, and thanks to this artificial intelligence, now the technologies are going to be blended with the AI. What we are able to do today, the power of solving those problems and doing those things is going to be tremendously multiplied. So today, say if one person is able to solve, say, X problem with the help of, by blending this AI and all those technologies, we will be able to solve, say 100 times than what we are doing today.
Yeah, I definitely agree. I hear you on getting rid of a mundane task, things that are not getting like a great value for the day-to-day job. But I think also that there is a trend about prompt engineering. We have a lot of interesting things. I'm pretty excited to live right here right now. And also, if you think about that, I'm here in India talking about technology, talking about Ansible with a person we never met before, but he just dropped me a message on LinkedIn and say, I'm here, I'm in New Delhi. We need to say hi. And this is incredible. What do you think? And you came with all your lovely family. That is great for me, meeting you all in person.
Yeah, absolutely, because this is very important when you follow someone, and there have been like Ansible by examples. I have used certain examples while solving some of my customers' problem, and it creates an invisible bond. And if I get those kind of chance that if I can have face to face some connections, that's nothing like any other thing. So I would say whatever the work you are doing, this is really helping so many faces, so many lives, that is not countable. And the value that is coming out of it is giving the feeling of that every day we are learning, we are taking from the community, and if we are giving back to the community, there's nothing more than that feeling.
Yeah, definitely. I really hear you on this topic. When I was in Berlin for the Ansible Community Day, I had a similar conversation with Carol Chang and all the community leadership. I also met Walter in Czech Republic, and I think that this is very important. Learning from the community and giving back to the community. Every day, actually, I'm learning new things, and these are the base of like creating posts on the blog, creating some content that I'm publishing in my video, and this is great. Thank you so much for coming here. What is your best contact if somebody wants to reach you out?
I'm available on my LinkedIn profile, and
Yeah.
there is an option to book this appointment.
Great.
And I have some certain schedules available. So if there's any question, feel free to contact me.
Yeah, please, can you repeat your name for our audience?
Yeah, my name is Rajveer Singh, and my profile you can search on the LinkedIn as Singh R49.
Cool. I hope you get a lot of friends that are seeing this video and would like to reach you out. What is your last message for the audience?
For everyone, this is the open world. Sharing is caring. Keep learning, keep sharing.
Oh, that's great. Guys, let's automate more and see us on the next adventure. Bye.
Bye-bye.